Okay, so I think that's okay. Next, let's go with number 3. Okay, can you read number 3?
What figures a form when the diagonal is drawn in a quadrilateral?
Okay, so when you have, oh, let's draw a quadrilateral. How many sides does a quadrilateral has? How many sides? What?
Four.
4. Okay, so let's draw four sides. For example, this one. Is this a quadrilateral?
Yeah.
Yes, okay. So it says here when we are going to form a diagonal, when we say diagonal, that means slanted line. Okay, so let's draw a slanted line. Shoot. Okay. So it says, the question here is, what figures or what shapes are formed?
Squares.
Huh? When you draw a line here, what shapes are formed?
Parallelogram.
What are the shapes what are the other shapes that you can see?
I see like a
What kind of shape do you see? If I draw a line, what shape is this?
triangle.
This one, what shape is this?
Triangle.
Lo, what shape is this, Michaela?
Square.
Square, okay. Oh, nalilito na. Relax. If I am going to draw a diagonal here, what are the other shapes or figures that you can see?
Rhomboid.
No, not rhombus.
I can little bit see a square, a triangle or
A
square.
triangle, yes. Oh, let me draw it with a different color so that you can see. Oh, what shape is this?
Square.
What, this one, what shape is this?
Square.
Oh, no, the red one.
Square.
The red line? Red line?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
What shape is this?
Triangle.
Triangle. Okay. So another one. I'm going to draw another the other side. Oh, this one. 1, 2, and 3. Oh, what shape is this?
Triangle.
Triangle. So again, let's go with the question. What are the other shapes or figures that are formed when you draw a diagonal in a quadrilateral? What are the shapes that you can see?
Parallelogram.
No, not parallelogram. So this one, you have two triangles. Can you see the two triangles?
Yeah.
Yes. So if I draw diagonal line, this is what you call diagonal line. Ha? This is diagonal line. Okay, or this one, diagonal line. Okay, Michaela? If I draw a diagonal, let's go with with other quadrilateral. Oh, what quadrilateral is this?
Trapezoid.
Very good, trapezoid. Okay, can you draw a diagonal line in the trapezoid? Can you draw a diagonal line inside? Okay. Okay, so let me draw that properly so that you can see it. Okay, I'm gonna draw. Chan. Okay. So what are the shapes that you can see?
Square.
No, there's no square there.
Trapezoid.
Okay, so you have the trapezoid, the blue line, right? How about the other one? Okay, I'm going to draw it. This one, this, and this. Oh, what shape is this?
Trapezoid.
This one, the red line. Red line.
Square.
Does it look
No.
like square?
Triangle.
Triangle. Okay, how about the other one? Oh, I'm going to draw it again. This one. Oh, what shape is this?
Still a triangle.
Still a triangle. So that means whenever you are drawing a diagonal in a quadrilateral, you will always get two triangles. Okay, Michaela? Okay. Okay, so too much for that. Let's go with number 4. Can you read number 4?
Which is the true sides of parallelogram?
Okay. So which is true about the sides of parallelogram? Or when we say parallelogram, this is parallelogram. Okay. What is the two? Okay, can you read it?
Two pairs of sides are parallel and equal.
Very good. Okay, next. Number 5. Can you read number 5?
If two diagonals are drawn into rhombus or in a square, which of the following will be formed?
Mm, very good. Okay, two triangles of the same sides. Number 6.
Which, which the following describes the sides of a square or of a rhombus?
Okay, so which one describes the sides of a square or a rhombus? Very good. All sides are equal. Oh, okay, we're not yet done. Number 7.
Which
Quad
quadrilateral
quadrilateral.
would be different size of a triangle if a diagonal is drawn connected with the opposite corners.
Okay, so let's draw it. So we have a rectangle. Oops. Okay. You already have an answer. So actually, this one is correct. So it says here the question is asking us which of this quadrilateral that when you draw a diagonal, you will have a what? A scalene. Scalene triangle. Do you remember what scalene triangle is?
Yeah,
What is scalene triangle?
four right angles.
No, when we say scalene triangle, triangle that has no equal sides. Okay, isosceles has two equal sides, and then you have the equilateral for all equal sides. Okay, can you answer number 8?
How do a triangle with a parallelogram different?
What's the difference between triangle and a parallelogram? Not only they differ in okay. So let's see. Okay, so you have a triangle here, and then you have a parallelogram. Oops. Okay, so the only thing that is different here is only the number of sides. Okay, wait a minute. Okay. So number of sides and angles pala because you have 3 angles here and here you have 4 angles. Is that right, Michaela? Yes. Okay. So next, number 9.
Which quadrilateral has a one pair of parallel sides?
No. Oh, parallelogram looks like this.
Or no, trapezoid now.
Trapezoid. So trapezoid has only one pair of equal or of parallel side. This one and this one. Because these two, if you make them longer, they will form they will intersect like this. Okay, number 10.
Which figure cannot be a trapezoid?
Mm. A? No? The answer is letter A. Trapezoid is a polygon. Remember shapes with many sides. Trapezoid is also a quadrilateral because it has 4 sides. But trapezoid is not parallelogram because parallelogram is like this. Trapezoid looks like this. They are not the same. Right, Michaela? Yes. Okay. So now let's try to look at the different kinds of triangles. So what kind of triangle is this? The first one. I'll give you choices. Isosceles,
Isosceles.
equilateral, or scalene. Okay.
Isosceles.
Number or letter A. What kind of triangle is this one?
Isosceles.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Really? Why?
Has 3 sides.
3 sides equal?
Scalene.
Scalene has 3 sides equal?
So it's going to be equilateral.
Equilateral has 3 sides equal? Oh, I think you're guessing. What is the answer? You already forgot?
Isosceles.
The correct answer is equilateral. Hmm? Equilateral, huh? Equilateral has 3 sides equal. Isosceles has 2 sides equal. Scalene has no sides equal. Okay, Michaela? Don't forget that. How about letter B? What kind of triangle is letter B?
It's scalene.
Are you sure?
Equilateral.
Are you sure?
Isosceles.
You are guessing. Do not guess, Michaela.
Quadrilateral.
Look at this. This side is 7 centimeters. This side is 7 centimeters. This side is 5 centimeters. What kind of triangle is that?
Quadrilateral.
Huh? Triangle? Quadrilateral is not a triangle.
Isosceles.
Isosceles. Hi, finally. You're guessing, Micaela, eh. Don't guess. Remember. Again, when we say isosceles triangle, how many equal sides?
3 or 4.
Hala, triangle has only 3 sides. No 4. How many equal sides, isosceles? Oh, you just
3.
had this exam. You just had this exam a while ago. Oh, we also studied this yesterday. Isosceles has two equal sides. Oh, how about equilateral? How many equal sides does that has? Ilang equal sides yung equilateral?
3.
3. Okay, how about the scalene? How many equal sides?
0.
0. Okay, so remember that, please. Okay, and then we have your triangles. Okay, acute triangle. Can you read different kinds of triangle?
Right triangle, acute triangle, obtuse triangle.
Okay, so when you have right triangle, what is the angle? What is the angle for right triangle?
Right,
Yes, what is the angle of right triangle?
60 degrees.
No. This one, what angle is this?
90.
90. Okay, always 90 degrees. How about acute triangle? Mm. The angles that you can see in an acute triangle is always less than what? Less than 90. Less than 90. Oh, is this less than 90?
No.
Ala. Less than.
Yeah.
Mas maliit ba to kaysa sa 90?
Yeah.
Is this smaller than 90?
Yeah.
How about this one? Is this bigger than 90? No. Okay. So they are all smaller than 90. How about obtuse? When we say obtuse triangle, it is always it has a bigger than 90 angle. Is this one bigger or smaller than 90?
Bigger.
Bigger. So that means that is an obtuse triangle. Okay, Michaela? Did you understand? Yes. Okay, and then you have the equiangular triangle. When we say equiangular triangle, all angles are equal. Okay? Okay, Michaela? Yes. Okay, and then you have the quadrilateral. So when we say quad, how many is that?
1.
Hmm? No? Quad.
3.
No?
4.
Oh, you're guessing again. Don't guess, Michaela. If you don't know the answer, you could just say, I don't know. Okay? Try not to guess. How about try? How many is try?
3.
3. How about quad? How many is quad?
4.
4. Very good. Okay, so these are the different kinds of quadrilaterals. So are they polygon? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes. So when we say polygons, shapes that has many sides. Okay, so let's try to answer this one. Okay, so this is your parallelogram. Okay, so what is a parallelogram? Can you read this sentence?
A parallelogram has two opposite sides that are parallel and of equal length. In parallelogram ABCD.
Okay, So this is the parallelogram. We read parallelograms or polygons with the shape. So there's always a shape at the corner. Sa mga sulok-sulok or sa gilid-gilid, there's always a letter. And that is how we are going to read it. Okay, A, B, C, and D. Okay, so we read it like parallelogram A, B, C, D. Okay, so it says here that a parallelogram has two opposite sides that are parallel and equal lengths. This is equal to this one. Okay, and then the other one is this is equal with this one. That is parallelogram. Okay, Michaela? Okay, and then you have your triangle. So we draw triangle like this. Triangle A, B, C. A, C, B, C, B, A. However you want to write it. Okay? Oh, look at this. Whenever we draw a diagonal line in it, we always see two shapes. One shape, one kind of shape, but two of them. Always, what shape is this?
Two.
What shape?
Where triangle rhombus.
Okay, so you can always see triangle, right? Can you see the triangle here? How about here? How about here? Yes. Okay, so that is what you see or what you get when you form a diagonal. Okay. So even if you draw two diagonal lines, you will still get triangles like this. Oh, now we have two diagonal lines. We get four triangles. So same with this one. Okay. So let's try to answer some. Identify the quadrilateral that has two triangles. Which one has two triangles of same size? Can you circle? Which one has two triangles that has same size? Okay, very good. What else? Very good. What else? Very good. What else? Is that triangle? Oh, there's no triangle here. Oh, what else? Still have two more. Okay. Oh, this is not equal. Look at this. This is not triangle. Oh, it has four sides. You have this one and this one. Okay, Michaela? Okay, so we're going to continue this again next week. But for now, we are going to end our class. So you did great today, Michaela, as in your exam. So always do great in school. Do you have any more questions? No. Okay, so if no more questions, see you again next week. Have a happy Friday. Bye, Michaela.
Bye-bye.
Bye.